Bought this baby from Costco. Gonna put it together right now. Check it out. All right, here's the directions. First thing you do with that is get rid of it. We don't need no damn directions. All right, how to put together a Neatfreak laundry holder. You got a bunch of parts. Okay, here we go. Got it all laid out. Got all the screws. And we're gonna start with this right here. All right, we just gotta screw those babies in there, attach the bottom legs, and we're ready to go. And bam, put in. So that's pretty simple. We just slide this. So you're gonna need both hands to do it, as you can see. Bam. And the other one up. Shove her in there. Bam, done. And the last one. Slide it right in. Done. That's that. Now let's take a look at what we've got. So now we've got both of them hooked in. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to slide this screw in, and you want the nut on the inside. All right, so they give you this little wrench, which goes on here, and then you've got a an Allen wrench on top. So as you can see, you just stick her on there, and then I just turn the Allen wrench until it gets tight. You're going to do that 4 times. That's pretty much it. As you can see, very simple. All right, we've connected those 4 bolts. We've accomplished our first move. We're going over to the second. We're going to put in 2 braces at the top and the bottom. So these will set right on the inside. They're curved, and you're going to screw the screw through there and into the little screw hole right there on both sides. All right, so looking at it from this angle, I'm going to slide this baby right through there. Then I'm going to set my little thing here. Then I'm going to take this, and we're going to go ahead and screw that right in there. That's basically how it works. And we're going to take our Allen wrench to do that. We're just going to go ahead and just put it right inside there. As you can see, going right in. Takes a little bit of turns. My face is red because I'm looking down. And that's pretty much what we're going to do 4 times. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and tightened it up. We got our first support. Now we're going to put our second support in. I'm going to use the same things. You got to take this baby right here, slide it all the way through, and we're going to go ahead and start it right here by just turning this. Oops, that one looks like a little long, huh? So let's push it out. So we'll get that one started. Then we're going to go to the other side, and we're going to go ahead and get that one started too. So I'm going to go and push this through all the way. Get that baby on there. And then we're going to go ahead and take our Allen wrenches and just tighten it down. Very simple. Bought this at Costco. Fairly cheap and inexpensive. Nice and tight. And the next thing we're going to do is build the base, which is 4 of these. Just make sure this is good and tight. All right, I think we're good. Check that out. Nice. Our next step is we're going to build this base, which is basically 2 short ones and 2 long ones. And you know which ones they are because they got holes in them. You see those holes? Those are the long ones. So I've laid it out just like we're going to put it together. You can see the holes, and you can see the little connectors that will support it in between with the little curves. It's very simple. All you do is just screw it in, and that's it. You just screw it in right into those holes. That's how we're going to do it. Okay, so I set this right through there. On the inside, it's going to have one of these. Then I'm going to take my little thing here and just get it started. I don't have to get it totally tight. Then I'm going to come to the back. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to slide my screw through, put that on there. I'm going to grab my other connector and just get a good start on it. There we go. Just got to get it started. Then we're going to flip it over. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to go ahead and get our connector, slide her through, slide it through, slide that through. Then we're going to go ahead and screw it on there. So now we've kind of put it together, and now I just need to tighten it with this Allen wrench. So I'm going to go to each point, I'm going to tighten it so it's nice and tight, and then we're going to set it into the stand. So now I'm just tightening down my 4 corners with the Allen wrench that they provided. So you don't really need any tools. All the tools come with the thing from China or wherever the hell they make it. And pretty simple procedure. You know, building something from IKEA or Costco that comes in parts. Usually you get all the parts. Sometimes they have extra ones, but a lot of times the stuff doesn't fit very well. So you got to kind of force it. Just give it a little bit of a turn, tighten her all down. Very simple. And voila, we've got our 4 little points, and now we're going to put that on the base. So here, and this is going to go right down at the very bottom. So now I'm going to have to change and show you where it goes. Now you're going to see there's little holes there. You see them? I'm going to plant that right on that baby. And then we're going to be ready to go. We're going to be looking good. Also, we have to use these. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here we are. Put it right there. I'm going to put our other side on. Right here, we'll pull this up, slide it in. Then I'm going to take my screw, get it all the way through there, find the hole, and I put in the Allen wrench a little bit different here, screwing it. There we go, going right in. So we're going to do that 4 times. All right, so now we've got our base on. Just got to put our wheels, and we've got to put our little connectors for our clothes. But we're going to check all of our connections right here, make sure they're all tight with our Allen wrench first. Just making sure they're tight. Beautiful. All right, now we're going to put our wheels on. So this is pretty simple. We just lift her up, shove that baby right in there, and it pops in. Look at that. Spins right around. Let's do another one so you can see it. Grab it, lift her up, see the hole, shove it in, snap it, bam, it's ready to go. Do that 4 times. Okay, here we are. So far, so good. As you can see, it's rolling, looking good. Now we got to put these babies on. Doesn't look too hard. I think we take this one here, and I think this is all you do. You just go like that. I think that's it. Take the other one, put it up here. Voila! You have a new, awesome clothes hamper that spins around. Woo! Look at that. Ta-da! Only took me about 15-20 minutes. Well, we got some parts left over. We'll just throw those away too.